Welcome everyone. Today I wanted to bake some cookies with praline pecans and chocolate chips. It's the best of both worlds. We enjoyed these cookies so much I wanted to share it with everyone, and I know you'll enjoy them too. You're probably wondering why I'm all over the kitchen. Why can't I grab everything at one time or more at one time? I'm slightly disabled, unable to use my right arm, but I do what I have to do with back pains, neck pains, and all. If you know a friend or family member that is disabled, give me a like. So right now I'm just grabbing all the necessities that's needed to make the cookies. The eggs, baking soda, vanilla extract, salt, sugar, unsalted butter. So I'm going to go ahead and melt the butter on the stovetop. So next it's time to get all the ingredients that makes the cookie so wonderful and taste so delicious. So I'm getting the pecans, and then get the pecans grinded. You want it to look just like that. Pour the pecans now in the melted butter. Stir. You're going to pour that into the bowl. And then next you're going to put an ice cube to get the temperature of the butter down. And then drop in the brown sugar. Drop in the white sugar. Going to stir. Next, you're going to get the egg dropped in, the vanilla extract. And if you don't see the measurements when I have it facing the camera, I'll have it in the bottom so you can look for the ingredients, the right amount. And so you're going to keep stirring. That's how it's supposed to look. Get the flour, pour it in. Milk chocolate, then the semi-sweet. We're going to wrap this up, put it in the fridge overnight for 24 hours. The reason why you keep it in the fridge, it increases the flavor, it improves the texture. It also enhances the moisture absorption. It also allows the cookie to bake evenly. So find yourself a ice cream scooper, pack as much dough as you can into it, and then make it into a ball. You're going to now put the cookies in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Then after that, you're going to take the pecans and put more on top since the cookie is still soft. But like I said earlier, these cookies are delicious. You're going to enjoy them, you and your family. Give this recipe a try. If you like what you saw, give me a like and follow.